What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Nick Go. You already know. And today in Nick's Kicks we have another unboxing, and this one is coming from JD Sports, which is usually I do not cop off, but after this release we did. This is going to be the Jordan 5 Bel-Air in this box. We have one more package coming, which is from Finish Line, which is a 10.5. This one is a size 12. I'll go over kind of what went over with this release and how I managed to cop these and what resell should be out through the next couple months and what you should do, if you should hold, sell, or flip, or just return it if you make your money back. But yeah, we managed to secure a pair, and let's see what it looks like. With all that said and done, make sure you guys like, subscribe to the whole shebang. I'll see you guys into this unboxing. Here we go. Alright. Let's see here. Alright. So this is size 12. Here's a return slip. Cool. Just in case we need to. Box looks to be in good condition. Alright, let's see what these look like. Alright, not bad. So this is going to be the Jordan 5 Bel-Air alternate. This is pretty cool. They have a couple other colorways of this in the Bel-Air colorway. They have like a grayish one, but it is kind of, it's a clean colorway. One of the better Jordan 5s in my opinion. Definitely a cool shoe. On the inside, you kind of got like this tie-dye, like multitude of neon colors, which is cool. Neon outsole, and you got the hints of pink and purple on the sides with the neon green 23. You got the lace lock here, and you got the Jumpman on the back in neon green again. Clean colorway, not bad. It's in a size 12, which we managed to cop off JD Sports. Let's look at the other pair. Make sure we're looking good here. It does come with extra laces. And yeah, so they are mismatching colors, which is cool. Because this one has got like a blue on the side here. This one's got a pink, which is cool. There's a blue, you can see it better right there. But it does come with neon green laces if you do want to spice it up a little bit. It comes with black already. Yeah, it's a clean shoe. I mean, personally, I don't like Jordan 5s. I don't really look good in Jordan 5s, but I know a lot of people do. It's one of the better Jordan models out right now. But let's go into the resell and kind of what happened, what this release. So in total on NSB, we checked out around 10 pairs, but all got canceled due to that payment error, their payment processor. So I think NSB needs to launch an update, or it just might be me and my cards, but I don't know. I do everything, I jig my addresses, everything, and I still manage to get canceled, which kind of sucks, but hey, at least we got the shoes. So we picked up these. My two pairs were actually manuals, but prices have definitely dipped down. This was pretty quick shipping, and I think more pairs are coming in, so I'm trying to sell this pair as soon as I can, but yeah. So right now resells around $235. Payouts are going to be like around pretty much a refund at retail, like around $205. Just because these places are taking so much in fees, unfortunately, which is the sad thing with reselling. These big companies, they just take so much in fees. So that is why I highly recommend selling locally or selling on eBay to avoid fees. eBay doesn't have as much fees just because it's a PayPal processing fee, and they have no fees on sneakers, which is definitely cool. Definitely, I don't know if you guys copped or not, but lately, there's been a lot of Jordan GR releases, which is a general release if you guys don't know what GR is. Like the Jordan 12s, the University Golds. Those did a little bit better than these, but coming up they got the Indigo Blue 12s. I think those actually might do pretty good. But I think it's going to be the same thing. A lot of people say, don't sleep, so everyone goes for these. And prices kind of jump a little bit, like 20, 50 bucks maybe even. And then they just drop down as soon as people get them in hand. So unfortunately, that's kind of thing. So you do have to be a little bit careful with these Jordans. But I mean, if you can flip locally, I think there is a demand for these, and I think you should be able to barely get around $230, make a little bit of profit, even maybe $250, depending on how many people in your area are selling these sneakers. Check your local offer-ups, Facebook marketplaces, and just try and list them. Who knows if you'll get it. But yeah, this is about it for the shoe. Drop a comment down below if you guys managed to cop and what you guys are doing with it. And yeah, make sure you guys like, subscribe, the whole shebang. And I'll see you guys next time on Nick's Kicks. Peace.